Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Google Finance for Watchlists and Price Alerts. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. Open your web browser and navigate to the Google Finance website. Once the page loads, sign in to your Google account if you aren't already logged in. After signing in, locate the search bar at the top of the page. Type in the stock symbol or name of the company you want to add to your watch list. Click on the company name from the search results to access its dedicated page. On the company page, look for the Add to Watchlist option, usually presented as a star icon. Click the star icon to add the stock to your watchlist. To view your watchlist, find the My Portfolio tab on the left side of the screen. Click on My Portfolio to reveal your watchlist of stocks. Now, let's set up price alerts for a stock in your watchlist. Go back to the company page of the stock you want to set an alert for. Look for the Alerts button, often represented by a bell icon. Click on the bell icon to open the price alert options. Specify your desired price threshold for the alert. Select whether you want the alert to notify you when the price goes above or below the set threshold. After setting your preferences, click the Create Alert button to finalize your settings. You will now receive notifications based on the price alerts you've set. Repeat this process for any additional stocks you wish to add to your watchlist or set alerts for. Review your watchlist regularly to monitor your stocks and make any necessary adjustments to your alerts. That's it. You've successfully set up Google Finance for watchlists and price alerts. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.